today we're in a video and we're doing. Oh, Thomas! No, that doesn't count.
You're with beautiful Jordan and Noah Fraser.
Yeah, go subscribe to them each. That's their YouTube names, and we're doing a train race sort of thing.
Over here. Percy's over here. He's not there.
Yeah, we've got Thomas, Percy, and James. Salty and Murdoch have died.
Yes, because they came face to face. Salty was coming up there, Murdoch came up there, and if they hit face to face, they're dead.
Or come off the rails. But there's an exception for Murdoch. Wait, what? Oh! We might have a... No. No. Not on my watch.
No, no. Shut up! Oh. Hey, Dad, next time we come here, maybe we can make a YouTube video on this. Again?
Yeah. If you come here tomorrow, maybe. Or like something like that.
A new contestant has been added.
No, there's not a new contestant. Only a next round, and there's only 5. Too bad. Sorry.
Percy is died.
No, that doesn't count. We have to have 2 crash.
Yeah, we must find out. Oh no, James and Percy! Oh wait, never mind.
Yeah, never mind.
Yeah, Percy's way too far. And we actually built this track from scratch. I built the left side, the entire left side. Yeah. Noah built the
What?
middle right here. The jet's filming.
What? No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
Then
No, that isn't. I've only been recording this for 2 minutes. It isn't 10 minutes.
yeah.
Oh, we've got a collision over there.
Oh, it's not collision.
Yeah, but it doesn't count.
It is face to face, is it?
No. James is sad. He needs new batteries.
Percy's going up to the bridge.
Oh, no. You cheated.
Leave him. He's good. He just has to see the sky. Oh my. Oh no.
This is a set for my set things.
Can you tell the viewers
Ruined
to subscribe
today.
to me and watch my
Yeah, I've already told them that.
Yeah, that should really work for some videos. Funny ass. And probably next time we're going to do a war thing. We're going to do war. You know, like war. It's 3:19. How long have you been recording?
3 minutes.
Not even 10.
It's only 3 minutes. Noah, stop stressing about, okay? We'll be fine. Oh, Thomas has come off the line here. You know what?
That doesn't count. Who keeps sending it on that track?
I don't know. That it just keeps on doing that.
Oh, James is slowly pulling up into the... No, he's too slow. That night, Willie Percy trying to hit James in the back. We fixed that correction real quick.
Daisy.
You filming Thomas?
Yeah.
Thomas? Good. Okay, so James, Percy almost hit James' back tender because he was almost going to go on the straight line. So we set him onto the far. Oh!
We might get a collision. Oh, that was my iPad.
Oh, we're gonna get a collision.
No.
Oh, James!
It was changed like that before. Too bad. Sorry. Oh!
Oh, Dad, he came off the track.
That doesn't count.
Yes, no, you said it would come off the track.
No, I mean, like, just if 2 engines connect face to face, or if 2 engines connect and they fall like that, that counts. You know what? Somebody's gonna be crashing today. Oh, no, not on my watch. Not on my watch. Where's Plessy? Oh, we can watch it.
Next time?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, we forgot. Yeah. Oh, that sucks.
You can watch it now. I can
If
stop
you
the
viewers
video.
want to watch it, it's called Don't Be Afraid to Stop.
Full stop.
Write it on a piece of paper, right? So then we can watch it while we get bored.
Oh, and record yourself reacting to it. Yeah, but record yourself reacting to it.
Okay.
Oh, we've got ourselves not a crash. Not a crash. Not a crash.
Hang on, wait. It's a we gotta stop Percy just for a second. Because he's too fast. We gotta slow him down a bit.
Oh, we got a crash. We've got ourselves a crash.
No, leave it.
We've got ourselves a crash.
Percy's gonna win.
Death.
Percy wins again.
Yep, there we go.